Progressive na lugar kayo na yung
We're making friendship bracelets.
Malibalik siya sa naging
Problema do kay nung si Oaks. That's Clan. Sorry, na-conscious siya. Pantropiko. Asa, work.
Ayaw pag ano, kapangit ako lang.
Dili man, ikaw raman, habadi raman ni.
Sige, ang sabi.
Dapat tingin mag-let go ko sa
Fritzy slowly. Oh. What's in oras? Oh my God. Manara akong proof of life. Oh. Sila.
Because productive method. Bad down bad.
Yeah, we're done. Making friendship bracelets. Show me yours. There. Hi, so today is a Saturday and I'm here at school. Well, actually, I just came here to get my charger because lubat na kayo ko. And I wasn't really planning to vlog this day, but it's been a long time since I last vlogged. So I decided, why not? So right now, I'm on my way to an errand. So I'll go to Co-op. Okay. I have to pay something, and after that, I'm gonna meet Faith. Okay, so come with me and let's see how this day goes. We're out the school na and I'm going to ride a jeepney. Pero RC, okay. My ride is here. Wow! Puro naka-grab car. We have palingon. Wala na ako nagpayong kasi nakulan na gid niya akong agi. My God! Laban kita. After this one, I'll go to Ting Ting's place because we haven't seen each other like 2 months. Well, technically we have seen each other but only for weddings. So I'm here na. Yay! Mag-deposit o magbayad?
Deposit mo bayad.
A few moments later.
I'm done na. My second mission. So I already got my charger. I already paid. And wala ko nagamit ang payong. Okay. So now we're all set. Right now, I'm gonna head to a 7-Eleven near here. Because I will pay another bill. Guys, happy to get ko moments ako mga bayro nun and I cannot wait for that to happen. Hindi na lang ang 7-Eleven. So it's just super near the area.
eternity later.
Lami.
Pwede, sundan ka. Bakit ka din?
Nag-con me. Nag-proven hopping. Oh. Ah, kasa lang saw-saw pati yung lang.
10?
Kawag!
Mga? Kato yan, Jis. Natin po. Ano yung area lang nandos, bit?
Ano daw sila ko sa mga vlog?
No, wala ko na humanog subtitle para makasabot sila. After 1 million years. Wow, for the vibe. Dili, si Mama, ganahan siya. For the Instagram, na-delay post. Hi guys, so we are already done. So we just had like nag-chill lang gid mi dire sa Cafe Piazza. So I didn't like, this is actually my first time being here and this place is so nice. We will definitely go back here and next time is magdala na mi yung magdala sa tingin yung laptop. She's gonna write and I'm going to edit videos. Medyo gloomy ang panahon. Now we're gonna walk to Ugon and dito na po kumanakayan to school. This place is so nostalgic. Wala na foodies. So before na ikondera a la carte, it's our go-to place. Hala na palubi-lubi ang tea o'clock. It's tea o'clock. So, balik na to there next time. Pero, dili na ta mag-study. Dili na ta mag-self-pity sa pumupasar pa tawar dito. We're just walking along. Saan ni tawag na street?
Ano, ako bagay nito ko.
Dagan kay kapihan diri sa Cagayan dili. Sa partida sa kadagan kapihan diri sa CDO. Maglisod pag itaas sa tamang kape.
Dili ko gitanon lami.
Tingnan sa man may nga nakita na pod ko nimo.
See you next.
Kani guys, may period na siya sa una. Ano mo na siya
Lagi pa ko na bigay nila ko sa lawa.
muro.
Buwa ka tanan.
What if? Ito na ang ating pinuno. Handa nang mag-selfie. Search of street foods. Wala sila Penoy.
Balot ang kanta ni Mama.
I mean, balut. So, this is the old City Hall. Ay, Hall of Justice. sorry tayo naman din taga City Hall diri sa una. Uy! So, this is our sa tawagan ni Basta. Probe na. Ikatulo na ni nga kuan. Ikatulo na ni nga gusto sa Proven. Ang title na ni nga vlog kay Proven. Proven and tested. Agay, ka. Mabukap na! Hi!
Hi.
My name
My name
is...
is Uchi.
Yay! How old are you?
A tree.
I'm 3! Yay! Hey guys, today is a Tuesday. It's May... Oh, it's the last day of April. It's April 30, 2024. And I have here a puto. We heard that this one's famous and this one's really good. Today I decided to vlog because after a really long time, we're now back in our busy days. I'm gonna take you with me as I go through this day and I hope you enjoy watching this video. And there's Kuya Teddy. You say hi, Kuya Teddy!
Hi!
Yeah, kabalo kaya, gwapo kay kaya.
Thank you.
Wala na yung tubig. Please, Yabe. Thank you. That is about to replace the water. Because our water dispenser is already empty. And yeah. There's Joy! Hi, Joy! Welcome to my vlog. Actually, dagan kayo siya gidalabutan. Kaya na si Joy nga tao. Oo. Iya gina siyang kuan. Mutabok para ba na siyang sapa sa ilahang balay. Pero iya gina siyang gidala. Joy, pila ang delivery fee over ani? Free lang. Uy! Tagnaog ka ng smuggler og photo. Nag-overload ka, Lay? Jenny, say hi to my vlog. Lay, ipaila-ila natin ka sa akong vlog, Lay. Magbayad. Masuklian na ka karon. Nag-overload ka? Wala ka nagkape pa? Wala pa ka namahaw? Sige, let's eat. No! Diyan mo na niya itong mukbang.
Wala pa daw di bayad.
Joy, thank you, Joy. Cute, Eddie. Joy, thank you, Joy. Tinuod yun na siya nga, Joy. Wala tayo. One.
Pag-introduction sa
Leia, hindi. Gakakat ka sa frame. Guys, madali siya si Leia. Nga angel. Nara din si Jenny nga dagger. Abri daw, Jenny. Abri, Jenny.
Ay.
Wow.
It smells so good.
Yung cheesecake.
Hello? Overload ka? Ay, tukulbaan ko kaya mga Anessa ang pangalan. Ay, assorted di ay. Overload. Tukulbaan ko. Si Anessa! Oh, baby, I love your way. So, ang overload, kitag ano siya, 100, mayabudan ba? Mayabudan, 145.
Quiet, please. No need to shout. No need to yell. No need to have a riot. Shut your eyes. Take a deep breath.
Sorry.
Pag na pulugi.
Hoy, pero in fairness ni stick yun ang cheese, wala siya natangtang. Mangayo mo.
Uy, kuhan, itag sila yung
Buntag po.
Ayaw na, i-freeze dito rin.
Agay, ginoo ko. Ang iyahang ube, nara sa taas?
Nara. Hindi? Na anong expectation? Hindi ka ganan?
Yatag na daw ka. Mas lami siya pag may kape.
Magkaabot siya.
Nostalgic iyahang ko.
Lalabi siya. Dilo na ako kumama isa.
Balik ko sa kani, oh. Ayaw lang magkamakain na. So, naman na niyan cheese. Rami ang ube.
Wala nag-review.
Pagtilaw, le. Pagtilaw.
Pero Joy, pwede ka mag-order na full tanan cheese.
Pwede na
Overload.
Oh, dagan na siya. So, more to among review, guys. Thank you so much.
Baka naman! Basta yung pamukbang!
Imukbang ang puso! Ay! This is April.
Magmukbang tag.
Hi, April. Tukan ko. April.
Yan, masaya.
Pero dagan ako kakakita nga kuan mahiwagang salamin. Hanggang kailan aaminin ang puso ay napagtindi. Salamin sa indak ng panahon. Okay. So, busy-busyan na si Jenny. Tanawagan ni pretend siya. Oh, dayon. There's Joy and Leia. So, right now, I'm currently drafting the minutes of the meeting we just had a while ago. Yes!
Nag-reply.
Okay, so later, ato siyang tawagan At I explain sa iya ha ang PS because you know how hard na ipasabot sila sa mga bagay-bagay. Jenny, thumbnail. Bubaday na! Ano problemado kay mong mga naong, di ba dapat happy? Kuya Alex! Sana all. Before the banana boat ride.
Oh, sila 5.
Happy kayo nag-video ko.
Duha sila.
Before the banana boat ride.
Duha.
Before the banana boat ride. Video lagi ni.
Duha. Ay isa ra. Oh, duha.
Unsa lugar kaya?
Alam, alas 3 na, kapag-sakay.
Marami ka ng main character.
I can see it in your eyes, like chemistry is clear, I can't deny. It's all the candid feed. Won't you tell me that it's real? You're in my feelings, I can't believe that. Boy, I found you, yeah. So tell you down, I can't get enough. I just wanna dance with you. So can you keep it up, boy? Can you keep it up, boy? Keep it up, keep it up. Why do I keep on standing here when all we gotta do is dance? The night is almost over, baby. This could be our one last chance, like in the movie.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Ate Kat, are you ready?
Ay, sasadokon man na.
The DJ's playing now, so let's keep on dancing all night long. Baby, I'm crazy. Yes, we are falling. So two-step. Middle of the crowd, I ain't mess around. Give me that two-step. To the left, to the right.
A few moments later.
Banana boat. Before and after, sa ka naigo? Asa ka naigo sa... Ay, ngipon, imong ngipon?